Hello and welcome. Today, we'll take a look at how to set the default billing rate for your clients. Whether you bill the same rate for all clients or each timekeeper bills at a different rate depending on the matter, Tabs 3 provides the flexibility to configure rates for your billing needs. In the timekeeper file, you have the option to define up to 6 different hourly rates. For more information about setting up timekeepers, check out the Working with Timekeepers video. Once you set up rates in the timekeeper file, Tabs 3 makes it easy to assign clients to use a specific hourly rate. The timekeeper rates correlate to the options in the billing rate code field found on the Rates tab of the client file. For this example, all of my attorneys have their standard rate listed as their hourly rate 1 in their timekeeper file. When I select to use the timekeeper rate 1 in the client file, Tabs 3 knows to default the value specified as the timekeeper's hourly rate 1 for the attorney performing work on this matter. We recommend using the billing rate code when possible because it is the easiest to maintain and requires no additional data entry when adding clients. Along with timekeeper rates, you can also choose to define a flat fee amount or an hourly rate. The flat fee option, in conjunction with the Adjust Flat Fee program, allows you to specify one amount that you want to charge the client for. This is usually associated with a task such as drafting a will or setting up a standard monthly billing amount, regardless of how much work is performed. The hourly rate option allows you to specify one rate that will be used by all timekeepers for this matter. Since every client is different, the Rates tab includes various options designed to cater to exceptions to the standard billing setup. These options include defining rate tables and assigning rates at the timekeeper level. A rate table allows you to define a specific rate for any or all timekeepers for this client. Simply enter the timekeepers and their default rate for this client. By default, all new rate tables are set to a source of custom, but you do have the option to share linked tables with other matters or to copy an existing table. Once the timekeepers are defined, save the table. Cost tables work in the same way, but instead of defining timekeeper rates, you can define transaction code rates. When it comes to the timekeeper level section, you have 2 ways to define the type, by rate or by billing code. For more information about how to set up rate tables or timekeeper level rates, check out our help topics by clicking the question mark icon in the toolbar. For each client, you can set up a combination of these options to ensure that the correct default rates apply. When entering a transaction for this client, Tabs 3 will first look to see if a fee rate table is defined that includes this timekeeper. If the timekeeper is used in that table, that rate will be used. If not, Tabs 3 will see if this timekeeper is included in the timekeeper level section. If it is, that defined rate will be used. Finally, and most commonly, if the timekeeper is not defined in either a table or as a level, the billing rate code for this timekeeper will be used. Of course, these options only define the default rate used when entering transactions for this client. You can still change the rate at the transaction level if you have access to the rate field. You can change the rate specified at the transaction code level or change the rate code field in the fee editor. As you can see, Tabs 3 provides a lot of flexibility when it comes to setting rates for your clients. Thanks for watching. See you next time.